Hello guys, I'm Vitor Oliveira and in today's video I'm going to talk about food and the restaurant, okay? So let's get started! First off, before you even leave your home, you probably talk about plans for eating out. This is a very common phrasal verb that simply means to eat out in a restaurant. Example, when I've lived in Ireland, I used to eat out all the time. Another word you will probably use before even arriving at the restaurant is book, if the place you are going requires a reservation. So you may call the restaurant on the phone and say something like, I would like to book a table for two, please. To book means to make a reservation. You can also say, I'd like to make a reservation for two, please. Ready to order? When you arrive at the restaurant, you could request to see the menu. So you will ask, for example, can I see the menu? The menu, please. Now, let's take a look on a menu example. We usually have the following sections on a menu: appetizer or starters, a small dish or food or drink taken before the meal or the main course to stimulate one's appetite. Side dishes. The side is a small amount of food you order in a restaurant in addition to your main meal. Main course is the primary dish in a meal. Beverages or drinks, a liquid to consume usually including water. This may include tea, coffee, liqueur, beer, milk, juice, or soft drinks. And we have desserts. It is a course that concludes the meal. The course usually consists of sweet foods. And in some places they might have the special. Once you know which are the options on the menu, you are ready to order. So when ordering, you could say, I'd like A, I'd like D, I will have A, I will have D, do you have, can I have D, and then say the name of the drink or the dish. You could also ask for the day's special. So you could ask, do you have any special? If you can't decide what to order, you could ask the waiter what he recommends. So you could say, what do you recommend? Getting the check. When you finish your meal and you are ready to leave, you ask for the check or bill in British English. These are some of the common ways we could ask for the check. So, can I have the check, please? I will take the check. I would like my check, please. Could we pay, please? So guys, that is the video of today. I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned something new. And the next time you go to eat out, try to remember some of those tips. If you want to see more videos like that, please give your like and subscribe to the channel and follow skillidiomas in your social medias. Bye bye guys, see you next time.